Hello everyone, welcome back to the Delstack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to create your walking route on Google Maps. First, you have to open Google Maps on your desktop or your mobile phone. Your custom walking route will be created in My Maps. What you have to do is go to the left sidebar and click on Save. On the third option, you will see Maps. Click on Maps, and at the bottom you will see Create Map. Click on this, and a new tab will open. A pop-up will appear to create My Map. Click on Create. Now your My Map is open, and you can create your walking route here. Select the location you want, just like I have selected here. For example, I have selected Chicago. Now to create a walking route, choose the option Draw a Line. Then select Add Walking Route. I want to start from this portion here. Then I select the next point like this. I just want to cover this part and continue like this. Then I end it here. This is how I have created my walking route. This is the walking route distance in Google My Maps. If you like this video and found it helpful, subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.